Hi guys, here again, welcome to my channel. Today we are in Algonquin Provincial Park in Ontario, Canada, and this is the beautiful Oxtongue River. It goes under this bridge. This bridge leads you to the Western Uplands Backpacking Trail. There's 3 loops. There's a 32-kilometer loop you can do in a weekend with camping spots along the way. They're designated lakes with background camping spots, and so you can do 32 kilometers on a weekend, and there's a 50-something kilometer loop, and there's another about 80-kilometer loop, maybe for a whole week of backcountry camping and backpacking. Also, they have canoe access points where people who travel by canoe can just stay for the night into a campsite on the shore of one of those lakes. We're here, like I said, this weekend for a short weekend, just an overnight trip, and we're not staying in the park overnight. We're gonna be going to the Visitor Centre. There's some museums, some displays of what's in the park, the history of the park, and so on. Tomorrow we might do some hiking. There's about 80 hiking trails here. So let's see. We'll play by ear, see what we can do. All right. Hope you enjoy it. So let's go. Last time we came, there was smoke from the fires. It was all hazy, the forest fires. Now it's all clear.
Nice. Got a nice guy.
Peck Lake Trail. Let's check it out. It's supposed to be a trail that
You have to go.
goes around the lake.
You've arrived at your destination.
Like a side road.
Of course, that's how you have to.
Oh my god.
You need a jeep here.
Really bumpy here.
Oh, that's a parking lot.
There's a few people here.
Here we are on the trail one more time. We're going to a lake called Peck Lake here in Algonquin Park. It's not a very big trail, a small lake around here. Uprooted. There's a second one, looks like over there. Oh. So the lake is here already. And we're just gonna go around it. All these branches came down probably in a previous storm. Around June there was like a mini tornado.
What is that?
It's the visitors register. Like it's a tradition when you go on trails. You know who was here. And if you disappear, they know who was here.
So you have to put your name and date?
So today is the
19.
It'd be nice if we saw a moose or something coming out here. Like I said, there's more trees. There's trees uprooted everywhere from previous storms. Another beautiful lookout here. There might be some fish here. I don't know, maybe brook trout or lake trout. There's got to be some bass, but I didn't bring my fishing rod on the trail now. I have it in the car. Even though September 30th the season's over for trout, but you can still fish for bass. There's no bugs. If you came here in April, you'll be eaten alive by black flies and mosquitoes, horse flies, deer flies, all kinds of flying insects. But now it's nice. Colors are changing, everything's colorful, there's no bugs. The forest is winding down just before winter. We were just there, remember?
The other side.
The other side.
Oh, yeah.
It's full of holes, eh? Turning around, it's a different thing. It's good to have 3 legs, eh? Very useful.
Okay, look at the stairs. Oh wow.
So somebody has decided to make it easy and put some steps here. A little bit, they're rotten almost, but yeah. Otherwise, you'll have to climb over this slippery, wet rocks. So it's a bonus. I take it. There's my other half fighting it here. Yeah. Like, whoo. All right. And we got this way to go down. Trees everywhere down. Look at that, all tangled. Oh, now the lake is all the way down there. That cliff down. And here is the trail. That area there, so if you go in there, slippery, all the pine needles.
Yeah.
You end up all the way in the water. Woo. High jump. This is the end of the trail where we started.
Is it the way out?
That's going back again, around.
Oh yeah, this is the bench.
Yeah, remember? So many trees down, eh? One uprooted right there. The whole tree came down. Another one here. Probably previous storms. Yeah, and another one there. You have to have a lot of wind for this to come down. Look at it. Hey guys, I think this is a nice place to cook up lunch. Kind of windy right now. Might rain, hopefully not. I got myself a 1250 milliliter titanium pot. Right. I think it's big enough for my use. And there goes the lighter. So today we have some ramen noodles. kimchi ramen noodles. And I'm gonna spicy it up with a can of tuna. This is tuna in olive oil. I'm gonna mix it all up. This particular meal has a soup base and some seafood flakes. Put the tuna in there. All done. Yep. So I'm gonna enjoy it now. It's a bit hot still. If it's any colder. Enjoying my cup of noodles. For now, this is it. Hope you liked the video. Came out for, like I said, check out the fall colors. Everything's colorful, yellows, reds, oranges, and you know, hiked around a bit. I'm gonna make my way home. We have another maybe 3.5 hour drive back to Greater Toronto area here in Ontario. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Could have gone that way, but that's not over.
Oh my lord.
And the night is worse. If it gets dark now, you can't see a thing.